Hello students. So this is the part 2 lecture. In this story, I'll take the further explanation to the next step here. Now, lastly in the lecture, we understood that in which condition and how this lesson can be derived out and what was the condition of Lencho actually in the story. Therefore, if we go more further, this story was depending on the man, and I have also explained you that how Lencho was trying to recover his family, pull his house, as he was the man who is known on the way like an ox in the story. Okay, he is the ox man in the story because he's working hard and very hard for the his own house, so that this year, yani ki the year which is about to come, should be not getting the year of his deadly year. In the case if he is not getting the food, he can still survive by some money, by buying the food here, because his crops were all gone apart due to the hailstorm. So you can see this is the hailstorm. Okay, काफ़ी ज़ोर से हवाएं चल रही है, and you can find out कि ये बहुत ही तेज़ हवा होती है, आइस फॉल जो होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा है ना, और बारिश का वो वेट कर रहा था बेसिकली, बट रेन वॉज नॉट देयर है ना. सो ही स्टक विथ अ हेल स्टॉर्म, और जहाँ पे उसका फील्ड, हिज फील्ड वॉज टोटली रूइंड आउट एंड इट वॉज लुकिंग लाइक द वाइट आइस, salt ice covered on the field here, white salt cover on the field everywhere, and therefore he is thinking that it may have been left more than the bug, the locust, but this hailstorm has given me nothing. It has covered almost everything here, and his crop, which was known as dotted corn crop, is now ruined out. Therefore he was only in the tensionful matter of the mental state. And if you go more further, he is moving from his house by walk, and along with the pen and paper he is writing with, while before he is moving, he is writing a letter, that letter consisting some amount asked from the god in the form of the words, and that is around 100 pesos. Now 100 pesos, pesos is one of the amount where we can understand it is a Latin American amount. Okay, and here I have explained in the story, lastly the summary, introduction, character, grammar points, and the explanation is going on in the part 2 of this lesson here. So when he is asking the amount, he is also having trust. There is a trust in this lesson about a man to the god, and between both of this characterized people, we can find that how innocent man could be there while asking the permission of money, while asking the money from the god. You can say that while owing the money from the god here. So if you move further, the fellow broke, see in the lesson it is written there, the fellow broke laughter almost immediately. He turned seriously. Now who was this fellow? I can say that when this man went in the post office posting the letter, many of them may have laughed upon him. Why? Because it was a topic of laughing only. He was writing a letter to the god, which is very rare in the case. Therefore we can say that he was thinking, I need to go on with this letter, but the people of post office were somehow mesmerized by this thing, and they were not having any kind of words to speak. But after some time what happened, but somehow we can say that one man is saying in the post office, what a faith of belief he is having on the god, let's help this person, and helping is the very best thing. जैसे कि मैंने आपको last lecture में बताया था, help हमें करना चाहिए हर एक को. So he is getting help by this postman people, but one thing we need to understand, the help was not subsequent for him, the help was not proper for him. And in this case of theory, he got only 70 pesos, where he was not about to where he was not about to lead his life happily as per his thought, and he is thinking that this is not good enough what is happening with me, I need to go more apart from that. And in that case, what he was doing, you know, he was trying to get more money from the god, and therefore when he saw the money, let me remind you, in the post office what happened, see, the following Sunday Lencho came bit earlier. Now where he is coming bit earlier, he is coming bit earlier to the post office to find his letter, reply of the letter. And when he went in the post office, the postman himself handed the letter. Now while he handed the letter to the Lencho was about to open the letter, and the postman was thinking that the employee of that post office, he will be feeling very happy to see that money, because they were also knowing that there is no a solid thing like god. Yes, there is a god in the belief, mentality, mythology, but there is no solid evidence where you can touch him. but then also they gave money just in the name of God. You know that basically, as I said you earlier also, I'll remind you that they wrote the letter, okay, to Lencho back as a feedback, putting some amount of money, around 70 pesos. But what happened? They put the signature of God, or we can say that who are they? They referred here to the employees of the post office and the postmaster himself. So in this case of theory, Lencho was about to open the letter and everybody, means the employee of the post office, were looking towards him that he may be feeling very glad enough to see that letter, but they were wrong in their thought. When Lencho opened the letter, Lencho on the day of Sunday, he was having not a single smile on his face and he was somehow angry with a wrinkled eyebrow. The eyebrows were somehow wrinkled here. Why? Because he was very, very angry. And what he did basically, Lencho showed no slightest interest on the seeing the money, and laterly Lencho he was hit with the broken confidence. Now broken confidence leads with the anxiety also. Anxiety मतलब थोड़ा बहुत गुस्सा and बेचैनी, and therefore but he became very, very angry also, and therefore he is going. Lencho showed no slightest surprise here, and immediately Lencho went up to the window. अगर हम बात करें तो he went to the window, और वहाँ से वो क्या लेता है? He is asking for the stamp, paper, pen, and he is writing with the very, very wrinkled eyebrow, the eyebrow which is smashing down, and writing the letter and leaking with the tongue. He stamped out the revenue stamp on that, and then he further posted here. Now the question is that what was inside that letter? He wrote something inside the letter which was very, very funny also and interesting to hear. Now immediately Lencho went up to the window, as I said you, and he wrote the letter here, and he started to write in a very speedy manner, okay, and expressing the ideas, his own ideas generally. When he finished, he went to the window, affixing the stamp, and therefore he is asking to submit that letter. Okay, I need to give that letter back to God, please help me out, like this. He was in the angry mood here, and in the envelope we can say that the moment he put the envelope, it was about to open, he wrote that, he something wrote, I'm reading about that, you just understand what he wrote in that. He wrote that, God, of the money that I asked you rest was not enough from your side, okay, it was very much less amount, so I need my money back. But one thing he was requesting in this lesson, एक चीज वो request करता है कि भगवान अब पैसे इनके थ्रू मत भेजना, है ना. He is actually requesting in the amount that God, don't send me through the mail because these men are crook. You know what the meaning of crook? Crook means that ये जो पोस्ट ऑफिस वाले लोग हैं ये अच्छे नहीं हैं, ये थोड़े से डिसऑनेस्ट है और ये मेरा पैसा ले लेते हैं. तो आप एक काम करो, you just send me money directly to me. Don't ask to get this money from the people of this kinds of grade, and you directly give money to me, and I'll be very thankful for you. See, my dear kids, in this case we can say that a man is having a very unbreakable trust upon the God, and in the case of theory we can understand that these things shows that how a hardworking man he was. How not only a hardworking man he was, how a person he was having a attachment towards the God. Obviously we should respect the farmers, but in the respectful manner we should help them out also, because when the nation is suffering in the problem, only the farmer is the person who is feeding the nation, and he is only the person who is making his body to burn in the sun while cropping the field, while harvesting the field, while sowing the seed also. Lencho is also having the same category of the character in the lesson, okay, and in the detailed theory we can say that this lesson is all about hard work, faith, belief, hope, and the most basic thing which was done by the side role of the character that are somehow playing the role of employees of the post office is that what we need to learn from them is that helping nature. We should always help the people, because helping is the best way to care about God also. As per the Swami Vivekananda, to help the poor and needy people is the best way to help the God. And this is the first thing which we learn from the lesson. And the second thing is that we need to do always hard work. Okay, so this lesson is still here only. We'll start the other lesson in some other days of the other part of the video lectures. Till then, take care.